shapes, circle,
How many circle-shaped things can you say? A donut. A wheel. A clock.
oval,
How many oval-shaped things can you say? A lemon. An egg. Rugby ball.
square,
How many square-shaped things can you say? A window. A table. A tile.
rectangle,
How many rectangle-shaped things can you say? A blackboard. A notebook. A door.
triangle,
How many triangle-shaped things can you say? A danger sign. A Christmas tree. A roof.
pentagon,
How many pentagon-shaped things can you say? The black pieces of a football.
hexagon,
How many hexagon-shaped things can you say? The white pieces of a football. A pencil. A honeycomb.
diamond,
How many diamond-shaped things can you say?
A kite.
trapezium,
How many trapezium-shaped things can you say? A basket. A boat. A pack of popcorn.
cube,
How many cube-shaped things can you say? A box. An ice cube. A dice.
cylinder,
How many cylinder-shaped things can you say? A can. A drum. A glass.
pyramid,
How many pyramid-shaped things can you say? A tent. A lamp. A roof.
cone,
How many cone-shaped things can you say? An ice cream cone. Carrot. A witch hat.
sphere.
How many sphere-shaped things can you say?
The earth, a football, an orange.